Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 side hustles that you can start trying right away. I mean, in this year 25, you are going to try these side hustles and you will thank me later. Nobody is talking about these side hustles. Yes, that's what I want to give you in this video so that you can go ahead and try them. If they are new, that means less competition for you and you are going to be making a lot of money. You can even earn up to 100 euros per hour, not per day, but just per hour. So guys, that's what I'm talking about. But if you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you. My name is Gloria and I talk about different ways on how to make money online. Let's get in the video, guys, so that I can show you how you are going to make this 100 euros per day with these new side hustles that nobody's talking about. Guys, let's start with the first side hustle. Yes, I guess you haven't heard about these side hustles even here online or even here on this YouTube street. Yes, guys. So this side hustle is new and it's beginning to pop up, and I mean it's beginning to trend. You know, nowadays we are in the digital world. Yes, you can say that we are in the digital world, and this side hustle I want to talk about is called Digital Decluttering Services. Yes, you are out there, you always work online. Nowadays, a lot of people are working online. And what people like us are working online, some of us are stay-home moms, others have a lot of things that they are into, or they are running a lot of multiple accounts, emails, a lot of things. So what digital catering means, you are going to be helping people to arrange their digital space. Like if maybe you in real life you people there, they help people to declutter their home and everything. So even people in the online space need that, and people have not been talking about this side hustle, guys. So there are digital declutters that are coming up, and I bet you can be the first one among those ones who are coming up right now. And if you're asking, where am I going to be promoting my services? You can promote your services to Fiverr. Yes, using Fiverr, people will be telling you, like you see here, this one says, and is they are paying them 100 euro for just 1 hour. Even it will depend on you. Yes, it will depend on you how much you want to charge. Yes, as you can see, this one, it says, I'll organize your email box and declutter your digital space. So this is what this basically these people is going to do, and they can even charge, maybe for 30 minutes they will charge you for 10 euros, or they can say 100 euros for an hour. So it depends on you. You can go ahead and get some experience. It's not difficult. You'll be helping people with their emails, arranging them. Maybe some of their emails are lost and they're in spam box. You can go ahead and arrange them. That's what you are going to be doing. Yes. Or you can, as you can see, these are also digital catering services other people are offering. Yes, guys. So you can be doing that and earning money. As you can see, also this one is telling you, I'll organize your digital space and help clean up. Yes, even this one is telling you, I'll organize your digital files and declutter your digital life. Yes, 10 euros. And this one is also saying the same, I'll organize your digital files and declutter your virtual space. Yes, this one is also saying, and this one is charging 25 euros. This one is charging 45 euros. So guys, you see, you can charge any amount you want as long as you are giving good services, so that these people, if you work with them, they can be coming back and you work with them forever. Yes, guys, it's better to provide good services so that you are going to build a brand and people will be coming back to you, guys. So you can go ahead and start this digital decluttering services. Go ahead and put your gig on Fiverr. You can put it on places like Sprout Gigs. You can put it on places like Upwork. Then on those platforms, people will be hiring you and will be helping their digital life. Yes, we are in the digital space, but we need help. So you can go ahead and start that side hustle, and you will thank me later, because it's going to be earning you money hour after hour. You can charge, maybe say after every 1 hour, maybe $45, 2 hours, like that you increase. It depends on you, on your experience, so how much you want to charge. So let's get into another side hustle that you can start in this year 2025, or you can start right now. So this side hustle that I'm going to talk about It's interesting and you don't need to do much. It's just chatting. Yes, chatting with lonely people. There are people there who are lonely and they want to be chatted with. And as you can see, even people have been making videos about this chatting with lonely people. But you are not going to be chatting with these people for dating purposes. No, you can chat with these people to be like a friend and a companion. You know, some people like they will need friends who they can go to the parties with or like to wedding parties. And some people, not everybody is like they like digital space. Some people want to meet actual with real people. They want to meet with real people, share with them a lot of things. And there are websites that you can go to start making money chatting with lonely people. And to show that this side hustle is good and it's working, people are making money from it. Yes, and they are even talking about it. If people are talking something here on YouTube, that means it works and they have really tried it. So you can go to these websites and start earning from them by just talking to lonely people. Yes, guys, you can start working with those websites. If you feel like that's something that is going to interest you, you go ahead and chat with these lonely people. They will pay you. There is one website which is called remotely chat, something like that. You go those websites, you sign up and they'll pay you. It depends on the terms and conditions that they want. But they are those ones which are not into dating. Don't be scared if you don't want to do those dating things. Then there are websites that are going to pay you just for being friends. If a person wants to go to a wedding and they need somebody to accompany them, then they will call you to be their virtual, to be their friend, and you take them to the wedding. There are some people who are old, they are in nursing homes. Yes, those people sometimes they need people to talk to as they are aging. Maybe their families have left them, and they don't visit them regularly. So they want some people that they can sit, talk to, and those people will listen to them, guys. So you can make that money even up to $300 by just chatting with these lonely people online, guys. Yes, there are so many websites there that are offering this job, guys. Yes, then another website that I'm going to show you, or another side hustle that, guys, I want you to try. You can go ahead, try it, and better your life. Then this is creating faceless YouTube channels. And I don't mean faceless YouTube channels for kids, faceless YouTube channels for animation or different things. There is this something that is it's training. It's called ASMR. Like people are making funny sounds, and I don't know why people enjoy. I don't know why really people enjoy watching these type of videos. Me, I find it very funny, but people enjoy watching them. As you can see, this video, this woman, she's holding spoons and she's moving them around the microphone and whispering some words. And this video has got 25 million views. And do you know why, guys, people like these kind of things? They help them relax as they go to sleep. Like for example, some people will be playing it like in the background. Some people will do like fire ambulance, then they put it in the background and people will be listening to those type of videos as they sleep, as they relax, as they meditate. Some others want to listen to it maybe in the morning when they are doing their morning devotion. And those, as you can see, those videos are trending. People are watching them, and they are also trending on other platforms like TikTok, Instagram. I don't know what's the trick behind these videos, but people just like watching them, and they are bringing out massive views, guys. So this can be your source of income, your new side hustles. You don't have to try this by yourself, like having to open all these things that we are seeing in this video. There is another way around that you can go about this. You can go to websites like Pixabay. You get free content there, and you put in a sound that is calm and relaxing so that viewers can enjoy it. And when you go to those free websites like Pixabay, uh, and other websites, then if you get the footage that you want to use, then you can go ahead and get sounds that are good, that are going to help people like this. If I play this video, I'm going to listen to and hear some sounds. Yes. So let me try playing it now. So it's going to be playing some sounds here, and that's what basically this person is doing in this video. But if you don't want to do that, then there are also other SMR videos that people are also creating. Let me skip this advert. Yes. So you are going to see what this person is doing. Some people find it funny and weird. I don't know why people like it, but if you want to make money, you can go ahead and do it. As you can hear, that is what she's doing. So, guys, she's basically doing that thing with her fingers. If you have a time to go ahead and do this by yourself, then that's good. Then there are other people like this who are doing these ASMR videos by eating food. And when they eat food, there are sounds that are going to come out from their mouth, and people like and enjoy those sounds. So if you're like you love to eat, you can go ahead and do it by yourself. But there's also another way that you can do it in a faceless way. As I've told you, get footage from places like Pixel. Let me show you this one where a person is eating, and I will show you how you can do a faceless one. So as you can see, this girl right here, oh, she's a girl or a woman, she's eating, and those sounds are going to be coming up, and people enjoy those sounds. Yes, guys, people enjoy it like that. So guys, people enjoy watching those type of things, and you can do it here on YouTube and get monetized, and also do it on TikTok and get monetized. As you can see, these things are getting a lot of views, even more than you can imagine. But if you want to start a faceless one, then you are going to come on platforms like Pixels or Pixabay. Yes, Pixels or Pixabay, and you get free content that you can use, maybe like a forest or like a river or like any photo or any video that you see. It can make a person come and relax. Yes, guys, that video can make a person come and relax. Let us type in fire. Yes, so you can go ahead and be creating videos about fire. You know, there is a way the fire that makes some sound. Yes, guys, there is a way that fire makes some sounds, and you can be going ahead doing all of that. You are going to come on this website which is called Pixels, and you start doing that and you start earning money. Yes, and if you want to look for, as you can see, you can come here, search for any video you want, like these ones is clouds, or you can search for rain. It depends on you. On this platform you can get free videos that you can use, and you can go to places like epidemic sound and you download audios. As long as the audio is coming and relaxing, you can go ahead and use that in your is ARSM video, and you start making money. And another way you can monetize this, as you can see, this channel is 7.69 subscribers, and this video was posted 8 months ago, and that it has got 36 million views. So you can be doing something like this, but in a faceless way, as I've told you guys. Yes, you see, this video has gotten 95 million views. Yes, and people like these things like when they are going to sleep. So guys, you can go ahead and do that. Then another side hustle that nobody's talking about that you can start. You can go to places like rev.com. I know, guys, you have heard about this platform which is called rev.com. But nowadays, since now people are using a lot of audios, yes, some others they are doing faceless YouTube channels, or faceless, they are selling faceless products, and they put audios, and sometimes the AI is not good. So you can be helping people cleaning up their audios, the messes they have in their audios, and you can use places like Rev, and they are going to be paying you per audio that you collect, per audio that you clean. So that's also another side hustle that you can start right away and start start earning, guys. Yes, this is one of the platforms you can join. There are so many other platforms there that you can start doing that. Then, guys, I'm bringing you another one, and this one is going to be about AI. Yes, guys, as you know, all of us, we are using AI to help us is our lives. But if you don't know what you are going to put in AI, then AI will give you something you will not like. So that's where it comes in, being an AI consultant. And what an AI consultant is going to do, you are going to help people write prompts that will help AI do the right thing they want for them. You know, there are AIs like Midjourney, ChatGPT, but you know, it's an AI. If you don't explain what you want from it, it will write and give you according what you're giving them. And some people don't know how to write prompts, you know, prompts to put like in ChatGPT. So they'll be so it can take them like an hour for ChatGPT to give them what they want because they are putting in the wrong prompts. So guys, this is where you're going to come in and you are going to be writing human prompts. Yes, you are going to be writing human prompts that will help people, give them the right thing like do they want. Like this one is charging 40 euros. Is saying, I will teach you advanced mid journey prompting. Yes, they are going to teach you advanced mid journey prompting. They can teach you advanced prompting for chat gpt and other AI tools, guys. Yes, if you are using AI and if you don't give AI the right prompt, it will give you something else. So if you give AI the right prompt, it's going to give you what you want and in a quicker and simply way. Yes, guys. So even this one is telling you, I will teach you how to use Median AI like a pro. And she's offering that, and she's saying her offer is for 35 euros. So, guys, that's how this one is going to work. Yes, you can be an AI consulting. People can consult you to write for them prompts that are working, prompts that are going to get their content to be pushed higher, guys. Then the last one, which is number 6, that I'm going to leave you with, guys, is this one, which is ghostwriting. You know, if you don't know what ghostwriting is, people nowadays that we are in the world of content, everything is content. People are looking for people who are going to write for them, and when they write for them, then the person they are writing for will take the credit of that content, guys. The person will take the credit of that content, guys. So if you want to write maybe an article, or if you have blogs now, you can find a person having like maybe 4 YouTube channels, they have like 5 blogs, and sometimes the workload is high. So then you can hire a ghostwriter to help you write for your blog, and he'll be crediting, maybe your name is say Mr. X, and he'll be crediting your the book or the blog or whatever writing they are writing to Mr. X. Yes, and they are charging guys a lot of money. You see, this one, I will be your minor or your biographical ghostwriter and tell your life story at 100 euro, guys. This one is doing the same thing at 100 euros, guys. This one is doing it for 150 euros. This one is doing for 275 euros. And you see, guys, they have stars, which means people are using their services. Yes, guys. This one is saying he can ghostwrite your book for Amazon KDP. This one is charging 550 euros. I'll be your book writer, ebook writer, and ghostwriter. They can even write ebooks, write normal books. So it depends on you. You can go ahead and provide this as a service. Yes, you see, hey, this one is charging 679 euros, and even they have a top rated tag, which means they are really selling well. See, this one is charging 874 euros. Yes, guys, to be a ghostwriter for you. So, guys, as you see, this side hustle is really working. This one is charging 300 euros. Yes, this one is charging 1,248 euros, guys. Yes, please just write in the comment section below which side hustle are you going to try among these side hustles that I've talked about. Are you going to become a ghostwriter and earn 1,000 euros for just writing? Are you going to do AI prompts? Are you going to do a faceless YouTube channel? Just write in the comment section below that I'm going to do these side hustles, guys. So, guys, that's what I had for you just go ahead and comment in the comment section below which side hustle that you are going to do, so that we can encourage others also, guys. So don't stay there and wait for tomorrow. Just start now, and if you start now, you will have a better future tomorrow. So guys, that's what I've had for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. If you watch to this end, don't forget to